D2T on the track.
Hold up and analyze. Come on, get some.
On the track.
Hold up and analyze. We do our thing, son.
D2T on the track.
Hold up and analyze. Come on, get some. Listen close as I prove my point. We need to make it interesting. Back on.
No comparison, we more solid than they are. Me and Hit Boy, they say we like the new Gangstar. Me and Flacco, they say we the new wave guards. Shout to Max B, he could be home any day, God.
Wake up out the bed, scruffy sparking my J. Shine my nickel plated, then I'm starting my day. My old lady called me baby, told apart in my age. 12 shells in the gauge, like a cart in the eggs. We on home like every carbon chromosomes on my conscience. Here's the niggas talking nonsense, call them nasty Nostradamus. Rock the pearls and diamonds, break the promise, break the wildest, break a heart and break a pocket, taking notes like guidance counselors. Aristocrats like the chancellor, the answer to the panhandlers. The corners with the mans is up, the jig is up, the scams is up. Yeah, they hands is up, looking in the crowd, yeah. Trying to fuck the world, but my pants still unimpressed to all my G's before we rest in peace. Cause we sure to rest in peace. The rest is set, the record set as soon as I release. The rumors be I roam the streets with no security. They know a nigga overseas. Kinda swag that's passed from your mom and dad. Prada bags and we cheesing on them Calvin ads. Mighty peep the billboards 50 feet when out in traffic. Staring at a nigga picture shit, you bound to crash.
No comparison, we more solid than they are. Me and Hit Boy, they say we like the new Gangstar. Me and Flacco, they say we the new wave guards. Shout to Max B, he could be home any day, God.
Hold up and analyze.
ASAP Mob got mass appeal.
Come on, get some. All the nasty niggas hit the lick like
D2T on the track.
Wake up out the bed, wrap my do-rag up. Say a prayer, I'm thanking God that Mom Dukes had us. Monotone style like Guru on Supremo cuts. Who neck by McQueen go nuts. Jewels over my white hoodie like Juvie and 9-8. It's movies that I make, Peruvian white flake. It taught the community at a high rate. Adversity I face, I roll my own gas to make sure that it's not late. Damn, I used to hit the block hoping they see me. Watching video music box, sitting closer than TV. I was inspired by Houdini and Cool G. Got my first pair of J's, thought I was 2-3. Invest in all my G's before we rest in peace, cause we sure to rest in peace. My shorty is a piece of mine, a dime piece. I might buy you a piece of property. You might have had some joints, but ain't nothing like me and Rocky seen. No comparison, we more solid than they are. Me and Hit Boy, they say we like the new Gangstar. Me and Flacco, they say we the new wave guards. Shout to Max B, he could be home any day, God.
Come on, get some.
Yeah. ASAP Mob got mass appeal.
We do our thing, son.
Listen close as I prove my point.
D2T on the track, D-do head.